Hi guys, I'm Emmanuel, and in this video I will be taking you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to draw the nose. And if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. As you go through this tutorial section, I would like you to pay close attention to the shades because it will help you in both creating realistic drawings and also hyper-realistic drawings. Now, for a start, I normally start with drawing a big circle. That's for the middle of the nose. I start with drawing a big circle. Yeah, and after drawing the big circle, I move forward to drawing a smaller one by the side. That's for the nostrils. Yeah, and for the second nostril, I put another one there, and I think it's ready for forming the shape now. And now you can see how I'm bringing out the forms of the nose, arranging everything in block forms. Now I think the sketch is almost done. Now we'll be moving forward to shading. Now I want you to pay attention to both the lighting and the darkening of shades, because it's actually what helps most times in giving a realistic drawing. Now I am going to be applying the charcoal dust with my sable brush. You can see how the application is going right from the bottom of the nose closer to the nostril. Then I normally use this to bring out the form of what I want to draw, and after that I start the detailings. So you can watch and see how I am doing this drawing, and I hope it helps you through what you want to know about drawing the nose and maybe other drawings you would love to do. Now, first of all, you can see how the shades are going light. Everything I'm doing for now is going light. Then as time goes on, I keep darkening the shades for where it needs to be darkened. Now I'm getting in the nose linings and I'm defining it the more. And you can see how it's coming out nice. So you see, now the form of the nose is out, and sometimes some people may end, let me say, if you are doing just a realistic nose drawing, you may love to leave it at this, but I would like to take you guys forward to detailing, which is kind of bringing out the skin texture of the nose, and I'll be doing that shortly. So now I'm done with the forms. I'm just using this charcoal to bring out a little bit of darkness and that nostril. So I would like you guys to take a moment and subscribe and turn on your notification bell, like I said before, to notify you whenever I drop a new video like this. Now for the detail, I'll be using this eraser I customized for detailing, and that's also to let you know that if you don't have erasers like Mono Zero and electric erasers, you could actually get to customize yours. You could let me know in the comment section if you would like me to create a video on how to make a customized mono eraser to help in your detailing. Now I'll be using this to create impressions of dots for now, and I think I'll be doing that a lot more around the center of the nose where you see the highest light. Now you just watch closely and see how I do what I am doing. Now this is the electric eraser. I just will kind of want to use it and define some of the dots, some which need a very high light because of the direction of light and how light affects the drawing. So I'll be using this more to bring out some highest light, but you could also use the other one, the customized one, to do this. But just for more clarifications, if you have this one, you can also make very good use of it because it actually help you more. Okay, so now I'm done with creating the dots, and I'll be using this graphite pencil to darken some areas around the dots. That's to create an illusion of little skin pores. So you can see how realistic the nose is looking, and I hope this video have actually helped a lot. As it goes on, it keeps on getting better and better, so just follow the process and just believe you can do this. Alright, with this, I think we have come to the end of this drawing section, and I would like to tell you guys to see you in my next video.